So the workshop, The Art of Travel Journals, covers really the art and the design that goes into doing your travel journals. You know, how to learn how to sketch found objects and little landscapes and flowers, and how to think about doing your title page. Those kinds of things are all covered in that workshop. But one of the things that I also add is background piece on what to put in your travel journal kit. You know, the more that I do these travel journal workshops, the more I find people saying, well, what do I take with me? You know, because you really want it one of three things. You want it small, you want it cost effective, and you want it lightweight. So what does that mean? What does it look like? So one of the things that I get people doing is to make up their own travel journal kit, and part of the materials list for the workshop goes into your travel journal kit. So it's got a small watercolor set that you can use, about 12 pans of color there, and it's not really expensive. You know, this one I think costs about $15 or $20, something like that. Lots of different ones out there. A set of brushes that you can get. A few small round brushes are all you're going to need. Your travel journal is small anyways, so you don't need all kinds of big gaudy brushes and those kinds of things. What kind of pencils to use? And the trick is just an HB pencil. Very simple and straightforward and cost effective. What kind of pens to use? This is a Micron pen. They come in different nib sizes. They actually come in different colors as well. And I'll usually take 3 or 4 of these along with me. I spent my career in the museum field, and one of the things that I want is I want a pen that's permanent. I want it waterproof. I want it acid-free, and these Micron pens fit that bill perfectly. And again, they're not real expensive either. And then the actual travel journal, there's all kinds of different sizes that you can get. You know, this is a 5x8, 5x7 Winsor Newton watercolor book. It's got 15 pages in it. It's 140-pound watercolor paper, so it's durable. Again, you're traveling, you want materials that are durable. So that's one of those things that you're going to get when you join into this workshop on the art and the design of travel journals, is the whole notion of what to take with you. And it just takes a kind of worry off of you if you've got the right kind of kit. Now, after 3 or 4 trips, you'll find that your travel journal kit becomes more customized because you've got preferences, you've got interests, those kinds of things. And those will begin to take over, and you'll develop, I would guess, probably even beginning with your second trip, that you're going to find out your travel journal kit starts to get more and more customized, and that's probably the way it should be. So follow along at traveljournal101.com and join into the workshop. You'll have a great time, and you'll come back with a travel journal instead of a smartphone full of photographs that you've got no reference for. And you know, 100 years from now, your great grandchildren are going to have a record of just how adventurous and brave and out there you kind of were. So get along and get going. You'll never regret having a travel journal.